What is going on, everybody? My name is Pete. You're watching Record, Upload, Repeat. How are we doing? How are we feeling? Right now, it is basically a pretty insane blizzard right now in New York where I am. And I'm going to give you guys a little bit of a tour. Alright? A little bit of a tour. A winter tour from my Jeep. Alright? So, hit that thumbs up button, subscribe, and let's do it. Right now, I'm just recording from inside my Jeep, right, like as I said, over here, from the Dashcam. And there's a country club that's right near my house. And what they do is they usually clear off everything here, you know. As time progresses, they clear everything off. It's pretty cool. It's a giant parking lot. Whoa! Almost bought the farm. Hey, Peppy Skate. Look at that. Look at that. Man, where in the world are you? Do you guys get crazy snowstorms like this? Sorry for the shaking. My navigation holder thing doesn't really seem to work too well. It does a lot of shaking and baking. You know what I'm talking about. Woo, Nelly! Damn. It's like the Himalayas over here. It's like the goddamn Himalayas. Pretty cool. It's pretty cool, too. Yes, sir. Here we go. We're gonna take a little ride through the town, baby. Take a little ride through the town. Yeah, man. This is pretty crazy how all this went down, as you can see. Wild stuff. Just taking a ride through the town. Taking a little ride on the wild side. Pretty crazy stuff, man. So, like, where in the United States or where in the world are you? And do you guys get huge snowstorms like this? I mean, I don't even want to say this is huge. I mean, this is a pretty substantial snowstorm / blizzard, if you want to call it that. But, I don't know. Like, I live in New York, and we get these, you know, every once in a while. You know? So we get them. They usually hit pretty hard too, you know. So it's only a matter of time. When you're a kid, you really just love the snow. But when you get to be older and you gotta clean the shit, it's never as fun, like ever. Look at this fucking mess over here. This fucking heap of a mess. Jesus Christ. Look, you got kids fucking sledding over here. watching. I want everybody right now to comment Snow Patrol in all caps. Snow Patrol. Snow Petrol. What's he doing with all this petrol? Yes, sir. You got the police over there squirming around. You got them police. But that's gonna do it for right there. That's gonna do it for right there. I just gave you a nice little ride around the block. You know what I mean? All right. So, what'd you guys think of that? Sorry about yesterday. I was kind of having a domestic issue going on at my house. Shit got a little out of control, so I was not able to do my Wednesday video, but I figured this would be like a special little treat, you know? So, if you guys made it to the end of this video, hit that thumbs up button, subscribe. Today's comment question of the day is gonna be, what is your favorite time of year? Is it the winter? Is it the summer? Is it the spring? Is it the fall? Tell me in the comments section down below. And today's secret comment code is gonna be the Snowman. Comment that down below. Now, the person that commented the secret comment code on Monday's video, don't you worry. Don't you worry. All right? So that is gonna wrap it up for me, guys. My name is Pete. You've been watching Record, Upload, Repeat. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you guys all on Saturday. Peace. Thanks for watching.
Thank you so much for watching this video. I really appreciate it. Click on one of these two videos on the left and watch something that maybe you missed. Thanks so much. See you in the next video.